Good morning, all my dear students of class 5. So, as you people know that we have already done half of this lesson, Be Wise and Healthy, in the last class of Google Classroom. So, let us go through some important points from the lesson. So, as you can see, the name of the lesson is Be Wise and Healthy. It's from your EVS book, chapter number 8. So, as I already told you, how to become wise and healthy by playing games. Let us start the lesson. First, let me give you a quick recap what we have learned. As in the picture, as you can see, children is one student is saying something to his teacher that, ma'am, are we going to the playground? Then what the teacher is saying that, today we will learn about some interesting local games that keep us fit and healthy. So what is a game? A game is something people do for fun. It is different from work. It is a structured form of play, usually done for enjoyment or for educating people. Games are played for entertainment, for an achievement, or for a reward. They are played individually or in teams by amateurs or professionals. Now, who are amateurs and who are professionals? Amateurs means people who take part in a sport or other activities for enjoyment, not as a job. And professional means connected with a job that needs special training or skill. Now, in many games, people play against other people. Playing games is important because they help us maintain a healthy mind, body, and soul. They help us fight diseases and recover quickly, and they help us to take defeat well. Today, let us do about martial arts. So, as you can see in the picture, martial arts are a form of sports practiced for self-defense. Martial arts are a form of sports practiced for self-defense and fitness. Boxing, karate, taekwondo, judo, kung fu, and wrestling are some of types of martial arts. So, what are martial arts? Martial arts are a form of sports practiced for self-defense and fitness, such as boxing, karate, taekwondo, judo, kung fu, and wrestling are some types of martial arts, such as you can see beautiful pictures of wearing particular dresses for different martial arts are given here, such as for judo. The first one is for judo, the second one is for boxing, the third one is for taekwondo, and the fourth one is for kung fu, and fifth one is karate. Now, we Indian people heard about kushti as well. Now, what is kushti? Kushti is a form of wrestling. In this game, the wrestler or pehlwan learns how to fight from his guru or ustad. So kushti is a form of wrestling, and it's our India's own game. It means you can say local game. And in this game, the wrestler or pehlwan learn how to fight from his guru or ustad. Some of the other martial arts forms that originated in India. So many martial arts forms are there which are originated in India. Are Thangta, it's from Manipur; Mushti Yuddha from Varanasi; Gatka from Punjab; and Silambam from Tamil Nadu; and Kalarapiyattu from Kerala. So these are the places from where these martial arts originated, such as Thangta from Manipur, Mushti Yuddha from Varanasi, Gatka from Punjab, and Silambam from Tamil Nadu, and Kalaripayattu from Kerala. So here we have learned about a lot of martial arts and its form, and some of the martial arts which have been originated in India. Now, in this paragraph, in this topic, we will learn about few local games as well as about gymnastics. So, what are local games? So, as I told you just now, that few games are there which are originated in India. So, what are local games? Local games are games or sports that are popular in some regions or state. Some local games of India are Malakhamba from Maharashtra, wrestling from Haryana, and Thoda from Himachal Pradesh. These are some of the local games, such as Malakhamba is played in Maharashtra and it is developed in Maharashtra. In the same way, wrestling from Haryana and Thoda from Himachal Pradesh. Which local game is played in our region? So, gymnastic. Now we will learn about gymnastic. Gymnastic is a sport that requires balance, strength, and flexibility. It is practiced both by men and women, nuts and acrobats who perform gymnastics. Nets Nuts are acrobats who perform gymnastics in Indian villages, cities, and towns to entertain people. Their performance include cartwheels, headstands, and walking on tightrope. You may have seen men, women, and children acrobats. They are very agile and their training starts from a very young age. So about gymnastic, what is written in gymnastic, it is a sport that requires a lot of balance and strength as well as flexibility in our body. Without having strength, balance, and flexibility, it's next to impossible to perform gymnastic. So it is practiced by both men and women. Nuts are acrobats who perform gymnastics in Indian villages and cities and towns to entertain. So as in big cities we have seen, as well as in the beautiful picture of acrobat performing in Mumbai, it has been picture has been given here, as well as we have seen in television as well as in reality also. Those who have visited big cities, there we have seen lots of acrobats are there who perform gymnastics in Indian villages, cities and towns, like walking on the rope and many other things. Those are known as nets. Their performance includes cartwheel, headstands, and walking on tight ropes. You may have seen men, women, and children acrobats. They are very agile, and their training starts from a very young age. So, with this topic, I am ending this class here. In the next class, we will learn a lot of things about this lesson. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, take care, bye.